Hello, good morning friends. Today at Alien Silks, we are showing you some nice collections of pure soft silk sarees. If you want to buy any of these nice sarees, please write to us at silksaryan@gmail.com. You can also leave a comment in the comment section or WhatsApp us at the given number. Each saree is unique. They're all coming in pure silk, traditional silk combinations. Take a look at all the sarees, friends. Each saree is different, I told you, very lustrous, glamorous colors and contemporary designs sometimes. The first one here coming is in maroon red color. I mentioned earlier, all the sarees are coming in beautiful color combinations. The first one here goes is a maroon red pure soft silk saree with mustard border. New arrivals, new color combinations, rare colors, a mustard jari pallu here with this maroon red saree, more of a maroon saree with mustard jari pallu, and there is a mustard blouse piece, mustard plain blouse piece with the same border here. Beautiful, elegant color combination, very unique, lustrous sarees, glamorous colors. Few sarees come in vintage colors, few are in contemporary designs. Each saree is unique. The second one here is creamish gold saree. Beautiful creamish gold single color soft silk saree. It comes in a single color with jari border at the bottom, a big jari border at the bottom. There are mango motifs. Is this clear? And there are small gold motifs all over this. Usually we get to see these color combinations only in Kanjivaram traditional silk sarees. Now we've come up with these designs on pure silk sarees, pure soft silk sarees. Here comes the jari pallu. Creamish gold soft silk saree with jari pallu and the same colored blouse. We can also customize this saree with different colored blouses like velvet or Banaras blouses. You can go with contrast blouses for this saree. Very beautiful saree. Creamish gold pure soft silk saree. Here comes a black colored temple border saree. Beautiful black colored temple border saree. The uniqueness of this saree is that you can see these temples both in gold and silver with a small piping maroon border at the bottom. The temple bordered saree, beautiful color. Black beauty. Comes with pink zari pallu. And there is a pink plain blouse piece. All sarees are coming with blouse pieces in contrast colors, few in single colors. This is a black and pink colored saree. To buy this saree, please mention as black temple bordered saree. The next one coming is in chocolate cream color. Again a single colored saree with different border here. Pastel colors are a trend now. Chocolate cream saree with a big border having motifs all over in silver and gold. There are small motifs on the body too, and there is a jari pallu. In the same color, you get a blouse piece also in the border color. Pastel color sarees are a trend. Do grab this saree ASAP. These are all fast selling sarees. Beautiful, pure, soft silk sarees. Each saree is different from the other. Every saree comes with different design. The next one coming up is a brocade saree, a little heavier brocade soft silk saree. This is a Kanjivaram brocade soft silk saree with tissue border, gold tissue border at the bottom, and there are climbers all over. It's a brocade design, and there is a beige pallu here, and there is a beige colored plain blouse piece. Complementing this blue, aqua blue color is this beige sober color pallu. To buy this saree, just mention as aqua blue beige color soft silk saree. The next one coming is in teal color. teal colored soft silk saree, a designer soft silk saree. All these sarees are in different colors, different color combinations. This is a saree here in teal color with small motifs all over. The uniqueness of this saree is that we've got all three zaris at the bottom. Silver, gold and copper. We've mixed all the zaris in the bottom. See here, the border is beautiful with roses and there is a beautiful dual tone pallu. This teal color goes very well with this dual tone pink color pallu and blouse. To grab this saree, please mention as teal colored soft silk saree. Lightweight sarees, friends. Easy to wear, easy to maintain. You can carry them off for the whole day. You don't feel the heaviness of the silk with these sarees. Here comes a light blue color saree. A mix of lavender and blue. You're getting a clear view of this saree, friends. A mix of blue and lavender color. A different color saree. A vintage color you can mention. Vintage colored saree. There is a jari, half jari here. A big border, 9-inch border at the bottom with jari all over. There are small motifs all over the body. And there is a pink dual tone pallu with a dual tone blouse piece. Beautiful color combination, takes back us to ages. Our elders used to use these color combinations on their sarees. The next one coming up here is a green saree. Beautiful, gorgeous green color, evergreen saree. With this rustic red piping border. All over the saree you can see these motifs, silver and gold motifs. Beautiful saree with this pink combination. Again pink and orange, dual tone, jari, pallu and the same blouse piece here. There is a brocade blouse piece also with this saree. Beautiful green, bottle to leaf green. Between bottle and leaf green, exactly. To buy this saree, mention as green and pink colored saree. Leave a comment ASAP, friends. Fast selling sarees. The next one coming here is in rustic orange. Rustic orange half and half saree. The bottom you can see maroon red color. At the bottom, maroon red color with motifs all over, and on the top of maroon red there is orange, rustic orange color, and there is a zari pallu. Beautiful color combination, again taking us back to ages. Gorgeous, bright orange and maroon red. To buy this saree, just mention as orange and maroon red saree. The next one here coming is a unique combination of red and magenta. There is a red and magenta saree here. The red saree with magenta border. Magenta with a small tinge of purple also. Red with silver motifs all over, and there is a checkered border with small motifs again. Combination of purple and magenta at the border, and there is a zari pallu. This is the saree. This is the pallu. This is the pallu, friends, and this is a blouse with horizontal stripes. Beautiful color combinations, bright colored sarees, smooth finishing, lightweight sarees. Here coming is a parrot green saree. A parrot green colored saree with Rama green, Rama blue border. Parrot colored saree with Rama blue border, big border, motifs all over. This is the pallu with Rama blue color, and there is zari all over the pallu, and there is the same colored blouse here. Beautiful color combination. All colors suitable for this auspicious occasions of our festivals. Varamahalakshmi festival is round the corner, and we have come up with these bright colored sarees to suit our goddess. Friends, the next one coming is in royal blue color. The royal blue colored soft silk saree with leaf motifs, bold leaf motifs on the body, and there is a copper sulphate blue border, plain border. In between we have a gold tissue border, and there is a copper sulphate blue jari pallu. Hope you are all getting a nice view of these sarees. This is a plain copper sulphate blue blouse piece. Royal blue saree, beautiful color combination, bright one. To buy this saree, just mention as royal blue and copper sulphate blue saree. The next one, the last one here coming is in orange color, rustic orange. Rustic orange with a different combination again, with a sober pink. Rustic orange with a sober pink border. There is a pallu here with zari pallu, again in pink, and there is a blouse piece in pink color. Rustic orange with sober pink is a very nice combination. It doesn't make it flashy. Friends, I have shown you all our soft silk sarees which have come on this auspicious occasion of festival. To buy these sarees, I mentioned earlier, please write to us. I am waiting for your responses. Thank you for watching our video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.